Warning: it is important that prior to performing this or any other safety or service procedure on any Heil product, that the person performing the work has both read and firmly understands the product's operator's manual, including the detailed safety instructions that accompanied this vehicle. If there is anything that is unclear or that you do not understand, do not attempt to operate the vehicle or perform any of the service or maintenance tasks called out in this video. Quarantine the area from bystanders, walk away from the vehicle, and contact your supervisor immediately for clarification. It is also important to ensure you are wearing the appropriate personal protective equipment, hereafter referred to as PPE, prior to beginning this or any other service or maintenance procedure. Hey, I'm Travis Wallen, the service guru here at Heil Environmental in beautiful Fort Payne, Alabama. Thanks for joining me at the Service Shack. Today we're going to walk you through how to use the service manual for maintenance and repairs and how to find just the right part to keep your Heil truck running efficiently, just like it did when it left the factory. One critical step before we make any repairs to your Heil truck: make sure it's in lockout tagout condition. If you need a refresher on lockout tagout, you'll find the procedure in your Heil service manual. We also have a Heil Service Shack video that walks you through all these steps. Safety is our #1 priority here at Heil, so I strongly recommend you review the service manual and watch the video to make sure you thoroughly understand the lockout tagout procedure. Okay, now let's take a look at the service manual. First, you'll need to determine the unit production year and body type of your truck. If you're not sure, you can find this on the serial plate. The serial plate is the birth certificate of the vehicle, and you can find this on the front street side of your truck. Information is stamped on the plate in 4 boxes: model number, the unit's unique serial number, body size in cubic yards, date of manufacture. This number doesn't look like a typical date because it's the last number of the year followed by the number of the day of that year. For example, 6145 means this truck was built in 2006 on the 145th day of that year. For units built January 2010 to current date, the letter represents the year model. For example, 2010 represents the letter A, 2011 represents letter B, and so on. Once the production year and body model is determined, ensure you're using the correct service manual for that production year. If you need a replacement parts or service manual, contact your local Heil dealer or call customer support. The parts manual is made up of 7 sections. Section 1, General Information. Section 2, Body and Attaching Parts. Section 3, Controls. Section 4, Hydraulic and Pneumatic Circuits. Section 5, Hydraulic and Pneumatic Components. Section 6, Electrical. Section 7, Options. Using the electronic version of the parts and service manual, let's look for tailgate lock bearing on a standard tailgate. Click on the table of content. Click on the product parts manual. Click on the product drop-down. Since we're looking for a part that's on the attaching body, we'll use Section 2, Body and Attaching Parts. Click the tab to drop down Tailgate Installation Kit. Click on Standard Tailgate Installation Kit. Now we can view the part drawing, find the reference number we're looking for. In this case, we're looking for tailgate lock bearing, which is number 1. Review the description chart to find the correct part number. For this example, reference number 1, the part number is 003-5142. Have this number handy when you call your dealer to order the parts. And by the way, let me hook you up with a little special tip. If you're using an electronic version of our Heil parts or service manual, hold down Control, press the letter F, and a search screen will come up You can type in a direct name of a part and search very, very quickly. If anything in the manual does not match what's on the unit, please contact customer support with the body serial number. FYI, I want to show where you can find important information regarding serialized parts. For extra verification on components, pump, valve, and cylinders all have the serial numbers located on them. Pumps usually have a serial plate starting with a 219. Valves also have a serial plate starting with 031. And cylinders are usually engraved on the cylinder and start with a 001. Hoses and tubes also have metal tags with part numbers located on them. If you can't locate any of these or the tags have been removed, contact your local dealer or Heil customer support. Replacement filter elements are based on unit's production year or if they have been updated to the current filter. From early March 2014 to current date uses 075-0953-001. Before March of 2014 uses 075-0912-030. To verify the correct filter, the part number is embossed on the filter element. Warning: it is critical that you order the proper hydraulic filter. Wrong part numbers or aftermarket filters can allow oil to bypass the filter material. This can contaminate your entire hydraulic system and will void your warranty. If unable to determine year or model, contact customer support at 1-800-528-5308. The service manual is broke down in the same manner as the parts manual. Refer to the service manual's table of contents. Once you've found the correct part number, now it's time to contact your local Heil dealer for those certified OEM replacement parts. I hope this video helps you understand the proper way to use your parts and service manuals to find the right parts to repair and maintain your Heil truck. Remember, we're here to help in any way we can. So be safe out there, and we'll see you next time here at the Service Shack.